A couple of weeks ago, I posted a video where I showed you how to make very basic no-knead bread. In the days that followed, a few viewers even made it, and I wanted to share their photos with you in case you don't follow me over on Twitter. When it comes to content creation, this is by far the biggest compliment you guys could give me. I really love that you took the time out of your day to make this recipe and then report back. Bread is one of those things that is so incredibly easy to make if you find just the right recipe. In this video, we'll stick to the same basic concept and just add some different flours to it. Instead of just basic bread flour, we're adding whole wheat flour and some flaxseed meal. You'll still use instant yeast, but the dry mixture will be 2 cups of bread flour, 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour, and 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed meal. The seasoning will be 1 teaspoon each of salt and granulated sugar. This is still a 50% hydration dough, so you're adding 1.5 cups of warm water to the mixture. I think you'll find that this combination of ingredients is much easier to mix by hand. The dough is not as dry and stiff as when you just use bread flour. The rise time on this is still an hour total, and I'll put the full recipe in the description box. Now when it comes to shaping your loaf, don't be afraid to flour up your hands and really make it into the shape that you want. For this version, I went with more of a rectangle so I could get better slices out of it later. And this is how it turned out. A beautiful crusty loaf of bread, a bit softer than version 1. As you can see, I got a really good rise on it, and in the shape that it was in, it was easier to cut, so I got 10 pieces this time instead of 8. No matter how you slice it, this is a really good loaf of bread. Now, for some reason, I can't get Happy Forks to recognize flaxseed meal, so here are the macros for the bread. And remember, this is for 10 slices per loaf, and then just factor in the flaxseed meal. While it doesn't do too much for the flavor, it does add a little bit of bulk and fiber to the recipe. I'm already playing around with the proportions for the next version, and it'll be cinnamon raisin, based on this loaf. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever made whole wheat bread before? What are some of your favorite combinations? I'd love to hear from you.